so weird to start a video just laughing into the camera. But as I pressed record, I had the funniest thought. But I'm not going to share it here. Okay, hi. Welcome back to At Home with Cici. I am Cici, mama to 3 of the best humans on this planet, the littlest of whom I homeschool. And this video is going to take you on a lesson with us. You'll see us do the lesson inspired by Waldorf, the Waldorf approach for the quality of numbers, and we're starting obviously with the quality of 1. We do most of our homeschooling Wednesday to Saturday, and what you'll see are 2 mornings worth of homeschool for this particular lesson. Maya really enjoyed these lessons, particularly the physical learning aspect, but she liked the art, the poetry, the songs, the chalkboard, everything. She really liked these ones, and I hope you'll enjoy watching as well. Yes, so the first of the 2 days, we actually did about 5 hours of intentional learning time, which is not always the case. She's 3.5, and sometimes she wants to do 3 minutes, but that's actually not true. She will always do a lot because she actually really loves learning. She loves homeschool. She loves showing her knowledge. But the first day we did 5 hours of intentional learning time where she did shelf work, themed work, writing, reading, cooking, outside learning time, and shelf work, if I didn't say that. All at Maya's request. So it was a really full-packed day. We started with our circle time, our morning time, where we do the calendar and the days and numbers, colours, alphabet, and then went straight into our quality of numbers lesson, which is what you're going to see. The second day was more time outside because it's a sunny day. The gang's all here. No chip on my shoulder. That day was like the first sunny day in London of the year. So it was like kismet. It worked perfectly for us to go outside on that day, and Maya also loved that. It was a shorter learning day because on Friday she has an afternoon dance class, and then also that Friday before the dance class we had something called Family Freestyle, which happens at Sadlers in London. And it's basically family freestyle. Different artists, dance teachers, performers take on a session each month, and there's a different theme related to the shows at Sadlers Wells. Sadlers Wells is a theatre company, and they host ballet and operas and other types of plays and performances. Time, ready? Go! So we went to that before her dance class. So it was a packed day on Friday, so it was a shorter time. But you'll see both of those days. You'll also see us sitting on the floor a lot, and outside. Outside because it was sunny. It's the first time this year that we've been able to do learning outside really intentionally, because we live in London. It's usually wet and grey and cold. But yes, on the floor is where we do most of our intentional learning time, because it just makes sense. It's a more natural way to sit and be and collaborate in a learning environment rather than being at a table, especially for a 3.5-year-old. On the floor she's able to move. We can spread out, we can have so many different resources going on at once. She can stretch and all those things that come naturally to children. They don't want to sit still, so we need the space to allow them to move while learning. So you'll see us on the floor. What else can I say to let you know? Oh yeah, you may hear some noises, random noises in the background. That would likely be my oldest child, because they work from home as an executive director of their own organisation called Neuromancers. I'll put the link in the description if you want to have a look. Anything else? Let me think. Yes, so I don't think I have much more to say beforehand. I hope you enjoy watching us learn together, and If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. And then at the end, I'll show you what her notebook looks like so far. All right, enjoy. Can you tell me something in nature that there is only one of?
Sun.
There's only one sun, that's right. Let's draw the sun. What else in the sky there is only one of? Tell me something else. Tell me something else in the sky that you only see one of.
I don't know.
Well, think about the sky. What's in the sky that there's only one of?
Sun.
There's the sun. What else? What's opposite to the sun?
Moon.
Moon, yeah, there's only one moon. What about the planet we live on? What's that called?
Earth.
How many Earths are there?
One.
One. So let's draw one sun. How about you? How many Mayas are there?
One.
There's just one you. And tell me about your body. Tell me things on your body that there are only one of.
Brain.
Yeah, there's only one Maya brain. What other things in your body are there only one of?
One nose.
One nose, fantastic. What else? Oh, let's do the waning crescent because it's a waning crescent today. So there's one brain on Maya. One nose, you said, yeah.
And one.
Have a look at your body. What have you only got one of? Or think about what's inside your body. What do you only have one of?
One chest.
One chest. What's inside your chest? What organ?
Rib cage.
Yeah.
And lungs.
But how many lungs do you have? How many lungs do you have?
I don't know.
What, do you think you have one or two lungs?
Two.
Two lungs, yeah. When we're doing the number two, we can say that we have two lungs. But what about inside your chest right here? How many of those do you have?
Heart.
Yeah, how many?
One.
One heart.
What's that?
What does it look like?
Rib cage.
No, look at the colours and the shapes.
Heart.
No, it's not a heart. Blue and green, what is it?
Earth.
Yeah, we only have one, so please keep it clean. We have one sun and Earth has one moon. And there is only one Earth, our planet, that we must look after. And then there's Maya. Should we draw Maya? Yeah?
Let me draw Maya.
Okay. Okay, so there's only one Maya who has one heart. How many bodies do you have?
One.
One body. How many souls do you have?
One.
One. There's just one soul of Maya. So let's draw Maya's soul. I think you're a yellow soul. Your soul is yellow like sunshine because you're bright and happy. And there's only one sun. So it's perfect. So this is your soul shining. You know when we read the Good Night Love book and they say put your hand on your heart and let your love radiate out into the world like it is glowing. So that's your soul glowing. That's what you look like to the universe. One
Sun.
one
Moon.
one
Earth.
one
Maya.
yeah, and one Maya's
Heart.
and one Maya's
Soul.
soul. Beautiful.
I love my soul.
I love your soul too. Show me one on your fingers. Does it have a partner?
No.
So that means that one is
Odd.
odd. So I'm going to write odd up here. Odd. One is odd. And this this is how one looks as a word. One. Now, if you were to sound it out, it would not look like that, because it would start with a w, wouldn't it? One. So this is a funny spelling, you just have to remember that says one. O-N-E is one. In Spanish, it looks like this. Ooh, do you remember the name for one in Spanish?
Uno.
Uno. Uno. That's the Spanish one. One for the golden sun. You say it.
One for the golden sun.
And then tomorrow we'll learn, not tomorrow, the next time we'll learn 2 and 3 and 4. So tell me again.
One is for big glowing sun.
Oh, I like that. But the rhyme is one is for the golden sun. You say it.
One is for the golden sun.
Lovely.
Horizontal. One,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6. Catch it.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Catch it, Bubba.
19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4.
20,
19,
18,
18, 17,
16,
15,
14,
14, 13,
12,
11,
10,
9,
8,
8, 7,
6,
5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Go!
0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now we're going to go backwards.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What does Italy look like? Yeah, there's Italy. In Italy, in a city called Rome, a long time ago, there were shepherds who looked after sheep. So here are some sheep. How many sheep are there here?
3,
Oh, fantastic. 1, 2, 3. But the shepherd couldn't count like we just counted those. They didn't know how to count yet. They hadn't learned about counting. But they needed to be sure that they always had all their sheep with them. But the problem was they had so many sheep. These are all loads of sheep. How many sheep now? Can you count them all?
1, 2,
There's too many sheep. How is the poor shepherd going to count all his sheep when he doesn't even know how? What is he going to do?
So,
I'm gonna get his.
the shepherd had an idea. Because he didn't know how to count, instead, he used a stick made of wood, yeah, a stick from a tree. And he would mark a line on the stick for every sheep he saw. So there's that sheep, there's that line, another sheep, 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 another. So he had another good idea. I'm going to borrow this sheep to rub it out. So there was that sheep, then there's this sheep, then this sheep, then this sheep. So how many have we got here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. And then when he got to 5, he changed it into this shape. So he knew that whenever he saw there were that many sheep, 5 sheep. So can you show me one sheep? Good. Can you show me on the board? Show me how the shepherd drew one sheep. That's 1. Very good. So this is what we call Roman, because it was in Rome, a Roman numeral, a Roman number. So this is what 1 looks like. So this is 1. I'm going to put it on our board as well. So this made it so much easier for the shepherd to keep an eye on all of his sheep. Isn't that clever? Roman numerals. So these came before numbers that we use now. So we know 1 looks like this. Diagonal, vertical, horizontal. But in the Roman times, this was number 1. What do you think would be number 2? Can you show me number 2?
Yes.
Come and show me. So this is 1, make it 2. 1 and 2. And then you would join them up like this.
With 3. And then I'm gonna take away 2.
How many have you got left?
1!
So where should that go? Yes or no? Does it equal 1?
Yes.
Go on then, put it in that pile.
I'm gonna start with 5.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna take away 2.
All right, let's see then. So start with 5. How many left?
3!
Is that 1? Does that equal 1?
No.
Okay, put it in the right spot.
I'm gonna start with 2.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm gonna take away 2.
How many are you going to take away?
1.
Go on then. How many left?
1!
Yay! So where does it go? Yes or no pile?
Yes.
Good.
Nine,
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, no, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She counted with me. He's so good at me. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There we go. 6 rabbits in a field, 8 fish in the sea, and 1 gorilla. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
and where's the gorilla? He's having a little splash. 9 birds among the leaves and 1 gorilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 cats in my garden and 1 gorilla. Count them
1,
then.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10. Oh, there's a 10 cats, 9 birds, 8 fish, 7 frogs, 6 rabbits, 5 pandas, 4 squirrels, 3 budgerigars, 2 butterflies. But where is my gorilla? Where's the gorilla hiding? Ah, there he is. What has happened to the gorilla?
Well, asleep.
Why? What's he done?
To make a red.
He had so many bananas, it made his tummy very heavy. And now he's going. 1 gorilla. And 1 mile. 1 gorilla. Ooh, 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 ooh. And 1 nose.
And 1 mama. There's 1 sun, there's 1 moon, there's 1 Maya, and 1 heart, and 1 memory, and
Do you mean 1 mind?
1 mind,
Mm-hmm.
and 1 soul, and 1 globe.
1 earth. Can you show me the word number 1? The word 1. And where's the word uno? Here is a list of things I love. 1 gorilla. Can you point to the gorilla? 2 butterflies among the flowers. And 1 gorilla. 1, 2. 3 budgerigars in my house. 1, 2, 3. And 1 gorilla.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
And
1.
1 gorilla.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
one bird. Vertical, horizontal, diagonal. It is 1 o'clock.
Up to the middle, around, and kick out.
22, 23.
Keep your fingers still. Crazy. That's cool.
Okay, so that was basically the whole 2 days. I didn't realize how hard. I mean, I've never done this before, and I didn't realize how tricky it would be to make sure I filmed everything and teach and engage at the same time. So there's a lot of things that we did that weren't recorded, but it's all along the same lines. A lot of the things were other poetry, other songs, other stories, other art that we made during those lessons, conversations we had that I didn't record. I didn't think to, or I forgot to, or it didn't work out because I might have been using the phone for as a resource. But yeah, there's it. I hope you saw enough and enjoyed what you saw, and maybe are inspired by it, learned something, or have any questions. So I'm just going to show you what Maya has done so far in her quality of numbers notebook. Oh yeah, I'm just looking at myself. Okay, so she drew the number 1. The circle, because that has one side, one edge. A whole part is 1. There's 1 means the whole thing. She did the Montessori bead. It's right here, just remind you. The Montessori bead. 1 and wrote 1. Then we did the parts of 1 digit. Then we did the Roman numeral, 1 again, and in Spanish. The domino, after we did the domino game, her A-B Skittles pattern. The number ladder, and eventually as we go up learning each number up to 12, she'll be able to see in her book and physically in the one I made that, for example, 2 is more than 1 because it goes above, it's higher, it's bigger, taller, goes further up. So 2 is more than 1, or 7 is more than 3, or 6 is less than 10, for example. Her number line and her jump counting. For the number 2, we'll obviously do skip counting by 2s. The clock, so she made 1 o'clock, and then the shape made on our Waldorf numbering, and 1 again. Yeah. So that's her book so far, and then we're going to carry on all the way through to number 12. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, or night, or life, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Tell your friends.